It's been another cool day, and it looks like rain is about to return. Jim's tracking it on our radar.
We are. It's not in our part of the state yet, but it is coming. In fact, on Viper, you can see the rain down along the coastal Bend area, headed through the Corpus Christi area and up toward Houston, out into the Gulf of Mexico. That's part of that system that we've been talking about for a couple of days that's way down over the Baja area, feeding that moisture in. Now, that's obviously not coming straight at us, but look back to the northwest. We do have a system moving out of New Mexico into West Texas right now that'll be tracking right across the state tonight. And once it interacts with this moisture coming up from the Pacific, we will begin to see rain break out, maybe even a few isolated thunderstorms overnight. Don't get excited, though. It won't be drought impacting rain, just some light showers, maybe a couple of thunderstorms, pretty quick moving in and out of here. At least it's not snowing up there right now north of the Amarillo area. Speaking of the drought, we did see improvement again this week. This is good news. Yes, we're still in a severe drought in this area of Hays, Travis, Williamson County, but that's 2 categories better than it was. The exceptional drought area has been reduced now to the small portion of Lee and Fayette County. Even Bastrop County now improving to severe to extreme. Again, that's still real bad, but it could be worse. And here is where it is worse. From western Williamson County back across Burnett County, Llano County, Gillespie County, you folks are still in the worst possible drought category, the exceptional drought. A little improvement a couple of weeks ago up here around Lake Buchanan and northward has actually grown a little worse now. You're back into the severe drought category. We're looking at temperatures today only in the upper 50s. Normals are mid-60s. I'm telling you, February is going to end up being a colder month than January was. Out there right now, overcast across the hill country. That's a live view across Llano County. 56 degrees in the city right now here at Austin. 54 is our 8 p.m. forecast and 51 degrees at 10 p.m. So it'll stay cool this evening, but not exceptionally cold. We saw some freezing temperatures in a few spots early this morning. Mid and upper 50s out here in the hill country right now. These are current readings. Metro area current readings, generally mid 50s. In our eastern counties, you folks too, mid 50s for the most part. 56 in Bastrop. Austin's officially mostly cloudy and 56. The airport is overcast and 57 degrees. Our winds right now at 6 to 8 miles per hour. Our sunset tonight is 6:15. Pollen count today, a little improvement. Mold count down to 472 in medium. Elm 57 medium. Ash 32 low. And no cedar showing up today. Temperatures around Texas, 50s to the north, 60s to the south, but there's some colder air coming in right there. You can see why it's snowing around Amarillo. It's 32 degrees. We've got a front associated with this upper level disturbance that's going to be tracking across North Texas. That front will blow in here tomorrow. It's going to interact when it comes in tonight, actually. It'll be approaching late tonight with this area of moisture coming up to give us some rain in here by morning. In fact, our computer model depicts it like this. Here's 11 o'clock tonight. Rain getting closer. Light rain in the hill country in the middle of the night, 3:30 in the morning. Here we are at 6 in the morning, still some lingering light rain, mainly from the Austin area eastward. By noon, maybe even breaking out of the clouds, some sunshine in the afternoon, but don't get too excited because the cold front attached to this system is going to make it breezy and much colder. In fact, this is going to be the 4th consecutive Friday night that we have a cold front that makes it much cooler on the weekend. This timing is bad. We are stuck in a rut right now. There's no doubt about it. In fact, Sunday, this coming Sunday, can be just like Super Bowl Sunday, maybe even rainier and maybe even just a little bit colder. Tonight, the overnight low temperatures are going to fall back into the 40s, and then tomorrow we won't warm much above, I don't think, the low 60s in most areas. In Austin tonight, late night rain, mainly light, 48 the low. In the morning, first thing, some lingering rain, and then the clouds begin to break and thin out as the front blows in, and maybe 62 degrees tomorrow. Then that front blows in, and we may only get to 53 on Saturday. We'll have some sun on Saturday. It won't be a terrible day. Then we'll cloud up quickly and see rain begin again on Sunday and linger to early Monday. Then we'll have a break Tuesday, and then a third system in this 7-day forecast brings us more rain middle to latter part of next week, but at least it's warmer by then.
Yeah, at least.